Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Tilda step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type Tilda into the search bar and press enter. Locate the official Tilda website in the search results and click on it. Once the website loads, look for the sign up button, usually found at the top right of the page. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and type it into the password field. Re-enter your password in the confirmation field to ensure accuracy. Review the terms of service and privacy policy provided by Tilda. If you agree to the terms, check the box indicating your consent. Once all fields are filled out correctly, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email from Tilda. Check your inbox for the email and look for the confirmation link. Click on the link to verify your email address. After verification, return to the Tilda website. Log in using your registered email and password. Complete any additional steps as prompted to finalize your profile setup. You are now ready to start using Tilda for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.